Oh, look who just decided to show up like 68 hours after I decided I wanted to work on the Honda.
And you still don't have a drink ready for me?
Day 2 of final scramble, and it's going great. I mean, fantastic. I got, let's see. I got the wires run for the mid and the tweeter on that side. I got the interior, well, the plastics put back in over here. And I got the sub in. I also got stung by a wasp who I guess thinks these are his orange trees. So I started drinking. Awesome. Day 3, and I got the lift done this morning. Wee-hoo, yeah, brother. Man, something's starting to look like a super street vehicle. I literally just took it off the jack stands though, so hopefully this this wheel gap settles out a little bit, but at least it won't rub anymore. All right, it always rubs coming out of the neighborhood here. Hey, it didn't rub, and ain't nothing falling off yet, so that's good. Maybe we won't die. Well, we made it to the gym. Nothing fell off. We didn't die. I didn't hear any funny noises. So that's a positive sign. And I think it did settle a little bit. That looks way better. Sweetness. All right, let's go get our swole on. Just under here, making sure everything's tight. After the suspension settled in. So while I wait on Brad, I've started drinking and looking for random shit to do. The interior is all buttoned up, ready to go, all the plastics, the seat. I guess I could clean it, but who the hell wants to do that? I just want to get the mids and tweeters in and get a tune on this thing, get it playing. Day 3 continues. So while I'm killing time, I figured I'd make some beauty panels, try to pretty all this shit up. So yeah, let me do that. Oof. Maybe I'll compete in install. Damn! Bruh. What's up now? Oh, look who just decided to show up like 68 hours after I decided I wanted to work on the Honda.
And you still don't have a drink ready for me?
Oh, ooh. Well, this came out great. I like